In this example, we are asked to compare f of 2 to g of 2 using this function and this table. So when we look at this function, first of all, we have to evaluate it. So we're trying to compare f of 2, which means I need to evaluate the function where x equals 2. So that means we are looking at the square root of, probably not that big of a square root, but I want 5 times 2 plus 6, and I'm going to take the square root of that, and then minus 4. So starting in our grouping symbol, I want the square root of 10 plus 6, and then the minus 4, which means I want the square root of 16 minus 4. So 6 squared root of 16 is 4 minus 4 tells us that f of 2 is going to equal 0. Now when I'm looking at g of 2, again, we want that x to be 2, and here we have an x column. So I just look at where x is 2, which happens to be right here, and our g of x value is 1, which means that g of 2 equals 1. So g of 2 will equal 1. Now this question does ask us to compare. And when it asks us to do that, that means we need to tell whether f of 2 is less than, greater than, or equal to g of 2. So if you look at those values, I have 0 and I have 1. So is 0 less than, greater than, or equal to 1? Is it smaller or bigger? 0 is obviously smaller than 1. Another word for smaller is less than. So I want to use the less than symbol as we write our final statement, that f of 2 is less than g of 2, because f of 2 is 0, which is less than 1.